Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a notification problem on iOS 17 after the latest iOS 17 update. So if you want to fix the notification problem, so what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your iPhone is connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, or after that you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi router and turn it on again. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. After that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. After resetting your network setting, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply check whether you have not activated focus mode. Focus mode is available in control center. For this you have to simply go for the focus mode, and you have to check the settings of focus mode. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on any three dots, and you have to go to settings. And if you find any kind of schedule or activation, smart activation, then what you have to do, you have to simply go for that schedule, and you have to simply delete it. For example, if you have added any focus, then you can also delete any kind of focus, because if you have added that focus, then notification will not be available to you in that recent time. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to go to notification, and here what you have to do, you have to check whether you have any kind of schedule summary, which means you have not activated any kind of schedule summary, which means you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to check that app notifications are enabled or not. For example, if you want to check the notification of Instagram, then you have to click on that app, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of that app notification. So here you have to click on that, and you have to make sure that that toggle is also turned on. And after that, you have to close all the apps, and you have to do for the next steps, which is as that you have to simply force stop or restart your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the setting and go for the general, and you have to check for the latest iOS update, because many updates errors are fixed by the latest iOS version. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.